Hello everyone, in this week's contact tip, we're going to be talking about model loading and unloading when you are working in Revizto. I've received some comments in that sometimes some models disappear from Revizto while you're trying to navigate to quality control, perhaps you're on your coordination meetings, and we're going to look at why would this occur. So this is a viewpoint that we've created for the level 1 overhead in this specific project, and you can see how there's no dock work currently showing up. So I am going to open the object tree, and I can see that there are several models that actually have that are grayed out and have an X. That means those models are not loaded currently in Revizto. So option 1 is going to be to right click on that model, click load, and you will see that all of those objects are now going to show up. So now you can see all the sheet metal showing up where it needs to be. Option number 2 to look at the models is going to be this load unload models button on the top right hand side of your screen. You are going to click on that as soon as you open Revizto, and more often than not there's going to be some model loading presets that we've created for this work. If for some reason one of them is not activated that you need, you're going to activate it, right? Just by clicking on it, and then you're going to click apply, and you'll see how all of the models that you checked are going to be showing up. In some instances, we purposely would like to deactivate numerous other models, or we purposely keep models off. So one example in this case is that design MEP model. If I turn that one on, you will see that there's duplicate pieces of sheet metal, right? Duplicate pieces of piping, right? Like, why do we have two items of the same, right? We do this because sometimes we want to reference the design intent model in case we have a question or we need additional clarity regarding something in the drawings, and we don't want to delete it, because if we delete it, we have no way to review it. However, if you're seeing double, again, go back to the load unload models and make sure that you are either using the correct preset or that you uncheck those models that are just there for reference in case they need it, but they're not actually used during the fabrication and coordination phases. So just wanted to provide some guidelines regarding making sure that you load the correct models. Also making sure that you unload the models that are not necessarily for your trade partner coordination while you are working in Revizto. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach to Carlos in the VDC department, and we are happy to provide additional guidance. Have a good day.